Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will see how to create an application in the form of a clean architecture, or it is a four-layer based application, four-layer based architecture. So we will see how we can create and what kind of layers we will create to distribute our application in the segment of layers. And after this we will see which folders and which kind of things we have to put in in the layers according to it. Okay, or many developers faces issues while they are creating an application in clean architecture. Okay, or yeah, it is very complex thing, but not impossible. Okay, or while you watching this video, then you will get to know the things about clean architecture, and I will explain you briefly one by one, so that you won't get any confusion in the future while you are working and while you are creating a new project with the like in the form of clean architecture. And it is a very modern way to create an application, and this makes our application very like less complex as well. Okay, so it manages the code as well. Okay, and code management becomes so easy as well. So that's why the concept of clean architecture comes to the software world. Okay, so let's discuss and let's see how we can do this thing. And before proceeding further, I just want to remind you that guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends or colleagues or network as well, and hit the like button. And I just want to tell you that I have created an Instagram page with, and you can search me there. I have to be with Rohan, and with the same username you will find me on Twitter as well. And in the last slide, you have seen my LinkedIn profile as well. Okay, just add me in your connection. And if you have any queries regarding SQL, .NET, or anything, then you can ask me directly on this platform, or definitely I will reply back you within few minutes as well. Okay, so don't worry, guys. So let's get started with the main agenda of this session. So let me show you first something that I have already created an simple API project. First, I will tell you some theory about the clean architecture. Okay, so I have already write for you. Okay, in my notepad, so that we can start directly. So in clean architecture, we have four layers. First is domain layer, application, then we will create application layer, then we will create infrastructure layer, then we will create web API layer. I have created web API layer, okay, and you can create this layer as well, okay, and you know it how to create web API project as well, okay. So don't worry, guys, okay, just follow the procedure, okay, and then you will get to know these things very well. So after this, what we will do in the domain layer, what does it contains? First, we need to think we should know this thing about the domain layer. Okay, so for your easiness, I already write for you. So for in domain layer, we create entities. Entities means that schema of tables. Okay, then we can use enums as well. Okay, value objects or interfaces. Okay, so domain layer always contains this kind of things. Okay, after this, we have another layer which is application layer. So what we write in the application layer, we write application logic, okay, DDOs, interfaces, services, or CQRS as well. Okay, in the third layer, which is infrastructure layer, in infrastructure layer we put we create database related things, first, which is entity framework core or any database you want to take, it's totally up to you. Okay, repositories and some external APIs, loggings and emails or other persistence. Okay, this kind of things we put in infrastructures. In fact, you put DB context as well. Okay, so I forgot to write here, and this is my web API layer which I have already created. Okay, So this is my ASP.NET Core project. Okay. In ASP.NET Core project, I have controllers, DI, filters, and middlewares as well. So these kind of things, we create an application in the form of clean architecture. Okay, and I have another folder which is tests, and we write some unit test cases and also integration test cases. Okay, so these kind of things we done in the we do in the uh, clean architecture. Okay, so we have created a web API. After this, I will create infrastructure layer. Okay, so just to go to the solution explorer. So I will create a new class library. Just search here class library. Okay, so this is my class library. Just click next here or write my app dot infrastructure. Okay, structure. So just click next, create this class library. Okay, so I have created the class library. Okay, interface class library. So I have created the second layer of my clean architecture. Then I will create a third layer, app dot application. Okay, click the next, then create. Okay, so this is my third layer that I have created. Okay, after this, I will create another layer for my app dot domain, or click next, then just create your uh, library. So yes, we have created four layers. Okay, and we have done a very important thing. Okay, regarding the layers. Okay, after this, the next task is to give the reference as well. So I will give reference of infrastructure to the web API. So what I will do, add a reference, add project reference. Okay, or I will give my reference to like this. So I have created the first reference. After this, application reference should link with the infrastructure. Okay, click right here, add or project reference, or my application layer will be connected to the infrastructure layer like this. After this, uh, I will do same with the domain layer to the application layer. So this is my domain layer. Just right click over it, or project reference, or after this I will give reference to the application layer. This kind of, I think we have done a very important step. Okay, so I hope you get to know this thing very well, that what I have done, I follow this process. First I created web API. After this uh, I add reference to the infrastructure to web API, then uh, application to infrastructure, then domain to application. This reference based task we have done, and it is a very crucial point, and it is a very crucial thing. If you are confused, what kind of things I have done while giving the reference to each other, so just pause the video or back to as well, and you will see, and please repeat the video until you get to know the process as well. Okay, so after this, what I will do, I will create folders like this. So first, so that we so in the domain layer, I will create a folder, entities. So entities, or then after this I will like what kind of things it always contain. Entities, after that enums. Okay, objects, value objects. Okay, so your layers should always contain this things all and interface. Just click add or not this. Add a new folder. Put the name interfaces. Okay, and in the application layer, I will create an application logic. Okay, so just right here, add a new folder. Put the name business logic like this, or after this I will create DDOs as well, and it is a very necessary part. So DDOs, okay, or interfaces also here. Okay, I will tell you the difference between interfaces in the application or domain layer as well. For interfaces, okay. After this, I will create a service folder as well. So follow this procedure, okay. Follow this process, and you will get to know. You will create your clean architecture with this process CQRS, and save this project for the lifetime. Okay, so that if you face any issue and if you forward something, then you can uh, see your things. Okay, so first I will create infrastructure uh, DB access. Okay, or DB context as well. Okay, so I will create a class. I will just put the name application DB context. Okay. Yes, or I will create the repository as well. Okay, so your repository always should in uh, repositories. Okay, or external APIs. Okay, third party APIs that we always tell. So third party. Just put this name or logins. Logins. Okay, or email, like email functionality, OTP based functionality, SMTP based functionality. Okay, so SMTP just here, or external APIs persistence. Okay, so I think I have finished my work. Just add persistence. Like this, we will create clean architecture. Okay, and in this way we can divide our project in the form of clean architecture. So I won't give you, like, I won't show you the entire process. Okay, to create services, DTOs, APIs. Okay, I won't do this thing. I am just telling you that what folders I will put in the layers. So I, let me explain you. So this is my web. So, first let's minimize this thing. So this is my application, web application. So like here is like you won't face any issue here. After this, this is my application layer. In the application layer, it always contains business logic, CQRS, DTOs, interfaces, or services. Okay, so let me explain you that how the things are working and how the things are correlated to each other. So, like, what's the purpose of this interface? This contains the interface of repositories. Okay, in the domain layer, it is the entities, like it always contains the table schema, enums, okay, interfaces or value objects. Okay, or here is my service as well. Okay, so service, like first in the controller you call the service class, or after this you call the repository class. So this is so middle layer of these thing, this for the service, this kind of things we add in the service. Okay, after this, in the infrastructure layer, I create a DB. I do things about the DB access, like loggings, persistence, repositories, SMTP, third-party APIs. This kind of things I mentioned in the infrastructure layer. So I hope you get to know things about how we can create an application with a clean architecture. Okay, and I want to create this kind of I want to create each files in the folder. Okay, you are good enough to understand that how the things are working, and the next task is for you that you will create you will fill this folder with the class files, interface files. Okay, so that you will get to know that things are working fine or not, and you have to create your own business logic, CQRS, DDOs as well, interfaces as well. In the domain layer, you have to create table related things, enums, interfaces, value objects. Okay, or in a infrastructure, you have to DB related things, third party APIs, SMTP related things, you have to put in the infrastructure. Okay, so I like I left the rest things on you. Okay, my purpose is to explain you that how we can create and how the uh, what's the principle behind the clean architecture while we are creating an application in the ASP.NET Core or any programming languages. Okay, so so here is the important step that we have done. Okay, so I hope you get to know a very important thing about the clean architecture. And if you like this video and if you love this session, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues or network as well, and hit the like button. If you successfully created your application in the clean architecture, thank you guys for watching this video. And I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well, and hit the like button. And I just want to tell you that the Docker playlist is already going on, and the second part is already released there. Or along with that, I have created an SQL playlist as well. Okay, and on the daily basis, I am uploading the SQL content for you. So please watch those playlists. Okay, and you will definitely love this playlist. Okay, and for uh, for this time, I have to leave. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here.